Prayer of St. William, Bishop of Paris. O Mother of God, I fly to thee, and I implore thee not to cast me off, for the whole Church of the faithful calls thee, and proclaims thee the Mother of Mercy. Thou art so dear to God, that thou art always graciously heard. Thy compassion has never been wanting to any one. Thy most gracious condescension has never despised any sinner, however enormous his sin, who has recommended himself to thee. Does the Church falsely and in vain call thee her advocate and the refuge of the unhappy? No, let my sins never prevent thee from exercising thy great office of mercy, by which thou art the advocate, the mediatrix of reconciliation, the only hope, and the most secure refuge of sinners. Let it never be that the Mother, who, for the good of the whole world, brought forth him who is the fountain of mercy, should refuse her mercy to any sinner who has recourse to her. It is thy office to reconcile God to man, then let thy compassion move thee to help me, for it is greater than all my sins.